The biography of Isat Buchanan, and all that you wants to know about him. Isat Buchanan is a Jamaican attorney at law. He worked with Stand Up for Jamaica on cases of men held for decades without trial, and he represented the family of Jody and Fearon during the 2020 healthcare access controversy. He later became a key member of dancehall star Vybz Kartel's legal team. After a Privy Council ruling on March 14, 2024 quashed the murder convictions over juror misconduct, Jamaica's Court of Appeal ruled on July 31, 2024, that there would be no retrial, clearing Kartel and co-accused. Buchanan has also courted controversy. In December 2023, the General Legal Counsel ordered a 2-year suspension over offensive remarks he made about the Director of Public Prosecutions. Jamaica's Court of Appeal promptly granted a stay, allowing him to keep practicing pending appeal, including appearances tied to the Kartel matter. Amid the fallout from those comments, known for a bold media presence and courtroom advocacy, Isat also uses his platform to champion freedom of expression and advocates for underprivileged Jamaicans. Buchanan co-host on the PDTV News Jamaica Friday night show. This is where the people fell in love with him.